Hi, welcome to Shared Sky and making an online erasure poem with Paul Laurence Dunbar's A Madrigal. First, you'll find yourself here at this homepage and just click on Start Creating. Then you'll find Select a Text to get started. We're just going to scroll down. There's many texts about the solar eclipse you can use, but as we scroll, you'll find it down here. Here it is. Click on that. And here you'll see Paul Laurence Dunbar's poem show up. And it says, tap any word to begin. And if I just tap a word, it pops up. Dream, drowsy, flows, eclipse. And I can keep going. The bar at the bottom makes the background disappear all the way or become 100%. So you can make it as transparent as you want. I'll go ahead and put it all the way down. I'm just going to go ahead and stop there for now. I'll push continue and I can change the cropping of my print. And I've left out the rest of it because I only did that first stanza. I push continue and now I can go ahead and put the title of my poem, Drowsy Dream Stanza. That's what I think I want to call it. I'll put my name in here and then you push submit your poem and it will become part of our shared collective poem. Thank you.